art design students. I'm just trying to get you some information before next week on the project we're going to work on together. And we are going to be actually doing this some of the time in class and using class time for it. But I wanted to give you the heads up on the paper. I'm looking for you to have a 6-inch by 36-inch piece of paper, which does not exist. So you're going to have to make it. I don't care what you do. If you have to cut pieces of paper together and tape them, that is fine. And I actually had to do that as well. What I'm talking about in class, this is the paper we use all the time. It is 12 by 18. 12 this way and 18 long. I went ahead and cut it down here to give me 6 inches and 6 inches. And when I did that, I have these two pieces of paper like this, and then I taped them together because 18 and 18 is 36. So when you tape it, I just line them up together, and I put a piece of Scotch tape down the center, and now I have a 6-inch by 36-inch piece of paper. And that's what we're going to need for our next project. If you're going over to the computer, to your computer paper, you can use a ruler. Make sure you're using a ruler, and you can cut it until you have 36 inches and tape it together. So hopefully that works. If this is too much for you, wait until you see me. But I know some of you like to get stuff ready ahead of time. Please do not. You don't have to go out to the store and buy the paper. The only other thing we're going to need to get started would be a pencil you'll need with you, and then you can have whatever, if you'd like markers and colored pencils. I don't know how far we're going to get, but we're working towards, we're going to be doing something like this. Please do not do any folding of it until we're together, because I need to do some better instruction as we're folding step by step. But it would be really helpful, again, if you had the paper 6 inches by 36 inches total. Whether you have to tape it together to get that way, because you can see right here, mine is taped right here in the, I don't know if you can see it, but it is taped right here in the center. Okay? So that's just, I'm not telling you anymore, but this will be the basis of our project. And if you don't have it by the next time we see each other, you can get it for the next time, and we can talk about that next week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, except for those of you that I'm going to see tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow because I have classes on both days. All right, I'll see you all soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.